Do that one dance, baby.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Pratyusha and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, beauty and much more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all my favorite products that I have been loving in the month of May. It includes skincare, makeup, food, body care and much more. So let's get into the video. So from skincare, I have two products that I have been loving. One is the Swiss Beauty Golden Skin Serum and the other one is the Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. Coming to this Swiss Beauty Golden Skincare Serum, it's just so good. I mean, it's like my favorite product that I have been using before makeup, before going to bed, in my morning skincare routine, in my night skincare routine. I have included it in like everything. I don't know why, but it just kind of gives you a the glow soon after you apply it, and it just goes away in like 2 or 3 minutes, but it feels so good once you apply it on your skin. It has like gold particles in it. It doesn't matter if it's for 2 or 3 minutes, you'll be glowing like a glazed donut, and it feels so good. So coming to this Minimalist Vitamin C Serum, I have been using this since like not 4 weeks, like 2 weeks now, and it's just beautiful. I don't know about it, claims to reduce pigmentation, but I didn't find any difference in pigmentation and anything of that sort. But when you apply it in the night and when you wake up in the morning, it lifts up your face. After cleansing and toning your skin, take just about 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C serum on your fingertips with a dropper, because it comes with a dropper. Apply it on the face by gently tapping it on the skin in a circular motion and let your skin absorb it. It can be applied in the morning and evening as well. Always wear a broad spectrum sunscreen of minimum SPF 30 while using vitamin C serum. Then I have this Dr. Shades eye cream. So yeah. This is not a May favorite, but this is like April and May favorite. I got my hands on this in April and I almost finished it, and I have included this in my product empties video that is gonna come next, and only a little bit of the cream is left, and I think today and tomorrow I'll be using it, and I'll include this in the product empties video. This cream contains date seed extracts, which helps for brightening, and quinoa seed extract, which help for calming of your skin, and hyaluronic acid, which is very good for hydrating, and shea butter. And coming to makeup, there is only one product that I have been loving these days, apart from foundation, concealer, blush, everything, is lipstick. Is this L'Oreal Rock on Fire lipstick that I have been using even at home, like even before going for a walk, even before sleeping. I don't know why, but I'll just apply a little amount of this lipstick before doing anything. So that's how much I love this shade. I'm going to restock it soon. Like, I'm going to buy 2 or 3 lipsticks because I know I'll use them. This is the swatch for the shade. It's a coral color. This is how it looks like. I'm wearing it right now. These are like highly pigmented lip shades from the Ultramatte range, and the color payoff in just one swipe. These are non-drying and super comfortable. So the next product is from Body Care. It's this 1000 Wishes body cream, and this mist from 1000 Wishes too, and this is also from Bath and Body Works. It just smells heaven. I always show my favorite products in the end. This beautiful back cover from Daily Object. It says, "Hey Siri, remove my makeup." This is a hard stride cover. I'll link it in the description box for you if in case you are interested to get your hands on it. I also got this one. This says Always Chic, and this is in pink color. I actually got these on sale again. This is actually for $12.99 each, and right now there's an offer running, like buy one get one. So I got these. These are like hard stride covers, and if you want to get your hands on it, I'll leave the link in the description box below. They have in many other designs too. Check it out. So next up, I have a snack with me. This is obviously gelato ice cream. This tub of 125 ml ice cream contains only 82 calories. I mean, a tub of ice cream with 82 calories. What else do you need in your life? The white one is for the obviously gelato ice cream, and the black one is for the regular ice cream. So instead of 177 calories, it contains 82 calories, and instead of 11 grams of fat, it contains 2 grams of fat and 3 grams of protein and 2 grams of sugar. How cool is that? So yeah, I've been loving all these products in the month of May. I mean, get your hands on all of these if you like, because they work wonders. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.